You guys have no idea how long I've been waiting for this bag. Ever since I saw it on Zalando, I literally couldn't stop thinking about it every single day. And today it finally arrived, so I decided you have to experience this whole unboxing moment with me. Honestly, I'm the kind of person who gets excited and nervous at the same time when ordering online. Like, will the color actually look the same as the photos? Is the quality really worth it? Will I love it as much as I imagined? But the moment I opened the package, I instantly felt like I made the right decision. The bag even comes with this dust bag and the material feels cottony and soft. Look at the luxury. Polo really did their thing with this one. Oh my god. Look at this color. I seriously can't decide. Is it honey brown, soft mustard, caramel? Whatever it is, this color looks insanely luxurious. And honestly, what caught my attention the most is that this isn't just an ordinary color. It feels warm, classy, and gives quiet luxury vibes without trying too hard. I swear this is the type of bag that makes any outfit look instantly more put together, even if you're wearing the simplest look. I need a moment to talk about the details because the details on this bag are honestly unreal. First of all, the stitching. Look how clean and precise it is. That's honestly one of the biggest signs of whether a bag is truly luxurious or not. Nothing about it looks cheap or rushed. Every detail feels carefully made. And the leather, you guys, the texture feels so good. It's soft but at the same time structured enough to look really elegant and expensive. This is the kind of leather that looks luxurious instantly. And the color, I genuinely can't get over it. I feel like this specific shade is timeless and never goes out of style. It's warm, classy, and matches so many outfits that you could honestly wear it almost every day. And one of my favorite things is that it works with almost every style. If you want a classy, elegant look, it looks stunning. If you're wearing something casual like jeans and a white shirt, it instantly elevates the whole outfit. Even with winter outfits or neutral tones, it gives such a rich and expensive vibe. And honestly, the most surprising part, even though the bag looks quite small, it actually fits so many things. For the video, I put my phone inside, my eye pencil, mascara, foundation because apparently one is never enough, and even my Avanci outfit. And the crazy part is, it still didn't look overstuffed. Everything fit in such a neat and organized way. That's honestly what I love about bags like this. They look elegant and compact on the outside, but they're actually practical for everyday use too. This is honestly the type of bag that feels like an investment piece, not just a bag. It's the kind of piece that makes any outfit look more polished and luxurious without even trying. Honestly, after seeing it in real life and using it, I can genuinely say this is one of the bags that absolutely deserved all the hype. Everything about it feels luxurious and elegant, from the leather quality and stitching to the color, which honestly works beautifully with almost any outfit. And one of my favorite things is that it combines elegance with practicality at the same time, because even though it looks small, it actually fits so many essentials while still looking organized. I truly feel like this is the kind of timeless bag you can wear for years without getting tired of it. So would I recommend it? Honestly, yes. If you love classy, elegant bags that instantly elevate any outfit without trying too hard, then I definitely think this one is worth it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think about the color. See you in the next video. Bye.